Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Genius of English. Today we are going to learn an important topic of English grammar, adverbs. So let's begin our lesson in a simple and easy way. Introduction. First of all, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or sometimes an entire clause. It answers questions like how, when, where, to what extent. Adverbs as verb modifiers. Now look at this sentence. She speaks softly. Here, speaks is the verb. Softly tells us how she speaks. So, softly is an adverb modifying the verb. Some common adverbs used with verbs are quickly, softly, well, often, sometimes. These adverbs can show manner, frequency, time. Adverbs as adjective modifiers. Now see another sentence. The water is very cold. Here, cold is an adjective. Very increases the intensity of the adjective. So, very is an adverb modifying an adjective. Other examples are incredibly, extremely, rather, quite. These adverbs express degree, intensity. Adverbs modifying other adverbs. Now look at this example. He ran too quickly. Here, quickly is already an adverb. To modifies the adverb quickly. So, one adverb can modify another adverb. Examples include exceedingly, quite, just, very. These mostly show degree. Clause modifiers. Now let's understand clause modifiers. Sentence. Fortunately, the train was late. Here, fortunately gives the speaker's attitude toward the whole sentence. So, this adverb modifies the entire clause. Examples. However, therefore, in addition, naturally, seemingly. These show attitude, transition, stance, focus. Types of adverbs. Now let's study the major types of adverbs. 1. Adverb of manner. It tells us how something happens. Example, he works hard. Question answered, how does he work? 2. Adverb of time. It tells us when something happens. Example, she will arrive today. Question answered, when will she arrive? 3. Adverb of place. It tells us where something happens. Example, he looked everywhere. Question answered, where did he look? 4. Adverb of degree. It tells us to what extent. Example, she almost finished. Question answered, to what extent did she finish? Advanced concept, adverbials and phrases. Now let's move to advanced grammar. There are different kinds of adverbial phrases. Prepositional. Example, in the morning. Noun adverbials. Example, last night. Participial phrases. Example, walking quickly, he entered the room. These phrases function like adverbs. Placement rules of adverbs. Now let's understand where adverbs are placed in a sentence. Initial position. Adverb comes at the beginning. Example, suddenly, it started raining. Mid position. Adverb comes in the middle. Example, she always helps me. End position. Adverb comes at the end. Example, he spoke politely. Conclusion. So today we learned definition of adverbs, functional roles, types of adverbs, adverb modifiers, clause modifiers, placement rules. Adverbs make sentences more meaningful, expressive, and detailed. If you enjoyed this lesson, then like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to The Genius of English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next grammar lesson.